we go.
Recording. Okay.
Unboxing video.
Unboxing
How should
video,
I do
dude.
this? Should I do them one at a time or open 10 at a time?
6. 10. 10. One's gonna take forever.
Yeah, we'll open the grab bag last. And then,
Is that the good shit?
yeah, it's the good
Show
shit.
me the grab bag.
The grab bag.
I'll show you the fucking
you
grab
get-
bag, dude.
So tap, open to reveal one unknown skin permanent that's 1350 or higher, and one unknown skin permanent that is 970 or below. And then we got these.
So bad.
Well, the 970 below part is garbage,
Yeah,
but
but 1350 or above. That's
yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay, open 10. Ready?
I'm so ready.
Oh
dude.
my god.
Foxfire
Holy
Ari.
fuck.
Dang. Would you look at that? Oh, that's better. I like
Yeah.
that. Add to loot. What else do we got? Warmonger Scion. Get that shit out of
Okay.
here.
Oh.
Ooh.
Okay.
yeah, ooh.
Oh.
Oh,
That's it. Ooh, that's
there
a
you
good
go.
one.
That's spicy.
Would you just look at that? Eh.
Well, that's
Some
cool.
moo-moo.
I've never
Okay,
seen that
I
skin.
have
Oh, I like Irelia.
Malphite.
Malphite. Pretty good. Liking that.
That's rock solid. I think
Huh.
I have that.
So wait,
Okay.
are these all skin shards?
Ooh.
Yeah,
Gotcha.
That's
it's a new one.
I have this one.
Ooh, I like that
Nice.
one.
Okay, 10 more.
That's some free orange essence though.
Oh, value.
Those are so good.
Value Town,
right
dude.
there.
Oh, nice.
Give that to Eric.
Okay, got.
Dude,
Another
another
Omega
one!
Guys, I'm actually working towards
Ooh,
a
Brolaf.
playset of Omega. It's got a moose. Ooh, play some
Ooh.
Twitch jungle. Oh,
Ooh, that's a good one.
That
Oh,
is
that's value.
guys,
Janus
you know what?
dog shit.
No, it's time for some Janna. You see this level 7 token? It's time to get.
Resistance allowing. Ooh, that's a good one.
Nice.
And ooh,
I already have that. Yeah.
Jurassic Kog'Maw, Warlord
It's
Shen.
gonna be- It's
Dude.
gonna be a gemstone.
Dude.
Yeah.
Two
gemstones.
Wow.
Buddy.
Wow.
Nut
That
my
was-
nut, dude.
That was
Wow,
value
that's
there.
cray, cray, cray.
Okay, just skin shards this time.
Wow.
Major Ziggs.
Yeah.
Super Teemo.
These are all pretty bad so
Oh,
far.
there
Oh,
you
Another
go.
one.
And another one.
Another one. Ooh.
And another
Omega
Omega
Squad
Squad.
Vygar. Okay.
Nico!
Nico.
Same
Another
one.
red card Katarina. Yeah.
Ooh.
I already have a skin.
Ooh.
I think I
Oh.
got it from a skin shard before. Yeah.
Ooh, Baker Pantheon. Star Guardian
Nice.
Ez.
I.
Open
That's the one-
6. Oh,
Oh, wait,
value!
Wait, and you see that? You see that's 8. That means at least one gemstone too.
Yeah.
Or
you can
gem-
have
yeah.
gemstone.
Ooh, I like that skin.
Yeah, that's a good one. That's nice. Ooh,
Nice. Oh my god, dude, you're getting.
these are nice. Yeah, I mean the orbs have like good chances for skin. Gemstone.
And a
Nice.
gemstone.
Okay, you
3
ready for the-
gemstones out of
3
36
grab
orbs.
bags.
That's not bad.
We're gonna open these one at a time. Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Wowee.
Well, I have
Wow.
Earthwick, so
Wow.
it's hard to
Yeah,
compare.
so
it
that
to
doesn't-
Earthwick.
Jeez.
Oh, that's actually.
Oh,
That's a pretty good skin.
wowee.
That's one of the better ones. Under. Okay, here we go.
Boom, look at that. Special Forces.
No way.
Could make a joke.
Oh.
That is
okay.
cray, cray.
Ooh,
Wait,
he
you
has
got 2
like a water
Gangplank
thing.
sins out of 1 bag.
He's got double
Gangplank.
gang.
Gang, gang.
Gang, gang.
Blah, blah.
Friendly Lord Ash.
That's the shitty one, right?
Oh, that's a good
Fuck.
one. That's good.
Battlecast
I have that
Kog'Maw.
Okay, and the main attraction. Here we go.
Kablamo. Would you just look at that, dude?
Gimme. Gimme.
So what does that give you?
Give me these. Hasn't updated yet.
Refresh.
There it goes.
There it is.
I
There
think
it is.
I decided I want the Ari skin instead.
Wait, what's that one?
This is the Evelyn Prestige. Bam.
Oh.
KDA Prestige Evelyn.
Wowee.
Nice.
Wow. Wow.
Okay. Thanks for
Now you
watching
gotta
the
choose-
unboxing video.
Now you gotta choose what you
Just
want
got a boner.
Yeah, that's